Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt ALMACO small bundle thresher. We took this unit completely apart and rebuilt it from the ground up. We'll just do a walk around of the unit and then we will fire it up so you can see how well it runs. You can see the inside of the concave here. It's very clean. Now when we rebuild these units, we outfit them with this nice variable speed blower fan. It puts out a lot of air and does a very nice job. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. Just flip that switch, everything comes to life. Runs very quiet, very smooth, hums right along. Now I'm going to hit the on switch to the blower fan here. It has two settings, variable speed, that would make it controlled by this knob here, or full blast. Then that renders the knob inert and it's just on full speed. Now I don't know if you can hear it, but as I turn the knob, the fan will slow down. You can tailor the airflow to whatever you would need for your application. Open up the concave here, you can see it spinning around. Just an all-around nice unit, ready to go back to work for a long time.